Hey, it's Leanne with Go Big with Leanne, and I would like to invite you to a workshop, the Accountability Workshop. And so a little bit about my background so you can feel comfortable with it. It's going to be a group process, but I served in the military for 21 years, was raised in a military family, and then I've been a wellness coach for about the last 12 years. And so I've been working with people on changing their habits and their behaviors for a very long time, and I've understood the power behind accountability for a really long time, but I hadn't put my finger on how to transfer that into a group process. So I've been working on this process. I've done it with a couple of test groups as a group, and so what I'll do in Project Accountability, the whole goal is to help you accomplish some things that have been on your to-do list for a very long time that are kind of weighing you down, whether it's a business project, eating your fruits and vegetables, exercise routine, losing weight, cleaning up the basement, organizing your desk, whatever it is. Everybody has something that's kind of just been back here on their to-do list for a really long time, and it prevents us from doing the things that we really want to do. It prevents us from living our life. It sucks the energy out of us, and so I want to help take you through a process that will help you actually get things done quickly and joyfully. So wouldn't you like that, to be able to just check everything off your list? And all of us have something. And so the reason why I'd like to do this in a group is because we can really feed off each other, and you can get really great ideas of what barriers and things that are preventing you. So the workshop itself will last anywhere from an hour to 2 hours, depending on how many people are in the group. Take everybody through the process. The only thing that you need to bring with you is maybe an idea of the one thing that you really want to focus on for that workshop. The tools and the processes that we learn, you can take home with you. You can apply them to other projects along the way. We'll also, to follow up, because I want to, one time usually isn't good enough for everybody. It will get you started on the process, but we need to be accountable to each other. And so for me to stay up with the whole group, I have a Facebook group that you'll be added to. And the people that I've worked with, my nickname is the Inspirational Drill Sergeant. So I can inspire when we need to be inspired, and I can hold your feet to the fire when you need that as well. So what I've learned in my own process, I was part of a really high-level accountability group earlier this year. And even for me, who has a lot of this in place and practice on a daily basis, I realized how much more that I got done because I had to report in every Monday to my group, my team that were holding me accountable. And so I actually did more. So it's not about the doing, really. But if we have things on our list that need to get done, we live in a physical world. So I want to help you by holding your feet to the fire, taking you through the process, identifying the barriers, see what's preventing you from getting those things done, and then provide ongoing support for you. So again, this is your invite to Project Accountability Workshop. I hope you'll consider it. It's, making the price extremely reasonable for everybody, because I want everybody to be able to participate, and then you'll be part of the Facebook group for long-term support. If you decide later on that you want more one-on-one, then I have options for that as well. So I look forward to working with you. You take care. Bye-bye.